Mayong buntag! I am Jessa, and I will tour you around in our Tambuli rooms and have a glimpse of what's inside. Come and join me! Our first room for today is our one-bedroom premier suite. Before we enter the room, as you can see, this is sealed and sanitized for your protection. Our one-bedroom premier suite is a 66 square meter room. Ooh, that's huge! Now let's first check our living room. This room is equipped with home entertainment amenities. And guys, did you know that Tambuli Rooms has its own private balcony? Ooh, let's check. Wow! Can you see? It's spacious. In our kitchenette, we have our refrigerator, microwave, and complete set of amenities. You can also cook your food here, provided with a complete set of utensils. The most awaited, the 32 square meters bedroom. Since your safety is our utmost priority, we provide you a sanitation kit. This bedroom is equipped with a 16 inches TV and a Bluetooth speaker. To achieve a more homey feeling, we provide you these amenities. For the safety of your things, we provide you a safety deposit box. In the bathroom, you have the liberty to wash your own clothes, provided with complete toiletries. With the highly touched surfaces, such as the toilet bowl and the sink, we make sure it is sanitized and sealed. With a duty of care, we safeguard your safety and well-being. We can't wait to welcome you here and enjoy the Tambuli experience. We are Nature Resort, and we are Tambuli.